Hi! Wanna know how to show or hide caller ID on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, open the phone application and then click on these three dots in the right upper corner. Then click on the settings and scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Supplementary Services. Click on it and here is it, the setting which is named Show Your Caller ID. By clicking on it, we'll be able to see three options, which is Network Default, Never, and Always. Network Default is the same option like Always, so basically we have Never or Always. If we will set Always every time when you are calling any person that doesn't have your number in the contact list, they will be able to see your phone number. But if we will switch to Never, then any person that you are calling to won't be able to see your phone number. They will have text like no caller ID on, no phone number available. And which one to choose is only on you. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.